Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Susan Pittser, and today we're in the Pipeline Crossroads of the world, Cushing, Oklahoma. Cushing is located centrally between Tulsa and Oklahoma City. We have Stillwater about 20 miles away. A lot of people love to live here in the small town life, but be able to easily commute to the larger cities. Today we're going to visit downtown Cushing, the Historic Dunkin Theatre. So if you'll come with me, we'll go check that out. Hi, we're here at the Dunkin Theatre with owner Jeff Beasley. I want to thank you for joining us today. And I just want to know what inspired you to invest and restore the Dunkin?
Wow, that's a loaded question. The Dunkin Theatre has been a part of our community for a long time. Our family, my children, and lots of other families in town really depended on the theater to provide entertainment and a place for date nights and family fun. So we had a major earthquake in November of 2016, and the earthquake destroyed much of our what's now known as the Broadway District, and the parapet wall from the building next door collapsed in on top of the theater roof with people in the theater. For the next 6 months, the movie company that had the theater did not repair the roof. We had made lots of investment in our downtown at that point, and we just couldn't stand to see the cornerstone of our district melt away. We made a bid to buy the Dunkin Theatre, and after many months, settled and got to work.
So could you show us a little bit of the renovations of the theater?
I'd love to. That'd be great.
All right.
As we progress into the theater, we actually come through a new area that we added recessed doors. Just something so simple as that was a major change, because when you would open the doors, the light would come into the whole room. If you look above, we have $250,000 in lighting. Why? Why for a cinema? Well, we do a lot more than just cinema. We have live music here. Our screen raises and opens up to be a large stage.
So I hear there's a little mysterious story about the previous owner and you.
So Hiram Duncan built this theater in 1926. There's a lot of history with Hiram and his wife Josie. So Hiram Duncan, he and I seem to relate. After our projects were finished, we had lots of newspaper articles and a lot of media, and so we had a lot of stories come out. We went to build a memory wall with everything from the past and the present, and we would get the articles confused, whether are these articles from the 20s or are these articles from today, because the things he was saying and the things he was trying to do with Cushing were so much like our story today.
I know there's another little treasure we have next door.
Yeah.
As you go through the doors of the theater.
I love to eat. Yeah, I love to eat. So
Food's good.
One of the tricks to a theater in today's time, how do you make a cinema work? How do you make it cash flow? We had an idea, and we thought, why not an amazing restaurant? And so we started in on this dream of building the greatest pizzeria and tap room in Oklahoma.
That sounds amazing. Can we go check it out?
Absolutely. I'm thirsty.
So I hear you have the coldest beer on tap in Oklahoma.
Not only the coldest beer on tap, but we also have a full-service liquor bar. We're excited to showcase 12 taps. We have several beer selections from local Oklahoma breweries, and some of our favorites like Mango Cart.
Cheers to you and the Dunkin Theatre and Godofredos, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
I'm your host, Susan Pittser. Join us next time on The American Dream.